G'day guys, Sammy here, and today we're looking at boat motor maintenance. Now, we all know a boat is only as good as the motor that's strapped to it, which is why we need to look after them. Now, as well as a regular maintenance schedule, there's little things we can do post-trip that can really help out our motor in the long run and prevent us from getting stuck out offshore. So today we're going to look at flushing our outboard. Now, there's a few little tricks we can use, so let's get stuck into it. Now, flushing your motor is important because it removes all that residual salt after a long day out in the salt water. Now, if you were to go out on fresh water, for example, I probably wouldn't flush my motor at all. But there is a couple of products that we use to help us with this. One of them is Engine Flush here by Blue Line. The next one is an salt mixer. Now, this Engine Flush and salt spray remover, what it actually does is breaks down the salt and helps it flush out of the engine a lot easier than if you just use straight water. So what we do, we grab our Engine Flush, unscrew our mixer here, and we want to pour, I usually about half fill mine. Now this pre-mixes it, so you don't have to worry about what ratio, it'll just use what it needs. So I'm going to put about half in there, like so. Screw that back onto the bottom. And before I put it on here, you'll notice there's 3 settings here. So at the moment I've got it on stop, the next one is just water, and then the last one is for the mix. So what I'm going to do, I was going to plug it in, I'm going to turn the engine on, I'm going to flush it for about 2 minutes with just plain water. Then for the last 30 seconds I'm going to switch it to bubbles, the bubble setting here, and that's going to flush the solution through the motor. Now I don't need to do it the whole time, just the last 30 seconds. Let's give it a crack. Slide the motor muffs on, like so. Now some engines, they do have the hose fitting up here somewhere and you can click your hose directly into there, in which case you wouldn't need muffs. I don't, so I've got a pair of muffs there. Let's fire her up. Now before you turn it on, make sure you got water running through so you're not starting a dry engine. After about 2 minutes, you should be able to feel the water from the telltale is starting to go warm. So now it's time to use our salt mixer to run that engine flushing through the engine. You'll be able to tell it's working when you see the foam start to come out of the bottom. Leave it for 30 seconds, turn it off and turn your motor off. Once you've given your engine a good flush, you can pack your boat away and feel confident your motor's going to be in tip-top condition next time you head out on a trip. Now a little hot tip for you, that salt remover spray is absolutely awesome for spraying down your trailer and your boat as well. Helps prevent corrosion. So there you have it guys, that's how you flush a motor. Look after yours and it'll treat you well. Catch you later.